Behind every successful IT project, you'll track down a profoundly gifted project manager. Project chiefs keep your groups on task and useful, from equipment and programming moves up to continuous security patches to application advancement and the rollout of programming itself. The Project Management Institute research has observed that businesses should fill some 2.2 million new venture-arranged jobs consistently through 2027. Whether it's product improvement projects, network framework organizations, or PC and framework overhauls, that is a great deal of chance across the IT scene for those with the right IT project. In addition, the executive certifications and courses were added to their repertoire. Project management certifications are one method for examining the information and believability of task chiefs. In any case, it is the ideal way. So, in this video, let us discuss those top project management courses that can help you to boost your career. Let us now look into the agenda. First, we shall understand why are project management courses important. Then we shall focus on the main topic of today's session, that is, Top 8 Project Management Course, which includes PMP, PMI-ACP, CAPM, Prince 2 Foundation and Practitioner, Certified Project Director, Business Analysis Certification, Change Management Certification, Agile PM Certification. Now, we shall understand. Why are project management courses important? Knowing how to effectively deal with an initiation of a project to its end can be the contrast between progress and disappointment. It is an inevitably popular ability, and concentrating on it can support a vocation in any industry. Project management is just about as expansive as the potential tasks it makes do, from making it a vocation as a certified project manager to actually handling and overseeing projects inside ordinary group conditions, to figuring out how to oversee responsibility, cut-off times, and association overall. There are many reasons to concentrate on project management, whether you're looking for a vocation as a project manager or simply need to learn new and expand on project arranging abilities. Here are the 5 main motivations to concentrate on the executive's project. 1. You will be a part of a growing industry. Businesses hope to fill many undertaking management positions effectively, particularly since it's a developing industry. Many fields need profoundly talented venture administrators, including designing and development, medical care, monetary administration, regulation, and innovation. Each occupation requires the capacity to transform thoughts into the real world. With the consistent interest for organizations to become more astute and more proficient, the abilities you master in any venture, the project management course will become increasingly more important to managers. In the event that you can demonstrate your value in project management, you will be a significant resource for any group, and businesses will be glad to employ you. 2. High demand market. According to Indeed, the number of jobs in project management in 2022 showed around 93,000 plus jobs. Also, the U.S. Department of Labor estimates project management jobs will grow by about 8% from 2016 to 2026, and management jobs, in general, tend to pay much more than average, with a median annual salary of $104,240 in 2018. So there's no deficiency of occupations in this field. Figuring out how to successfully deal with an undertaking project management is turning into fundamental and adaptable expertise and becoming progressively popular across all businesses. 3. Improves quality of your work. Project managers don't simply design, strategize, delegate, and execute errands to accomplish a result. They likewise screen execution for quality control en route. When concentrating on project management, you determine how to create and screen key execution markers, KPIs, and achievements against your task course of events. KPIs permit you to gauge the advancement of each phase of your task as it creates, guaranteeing you are proceeding to work in accordance with your unique objectives. This sort of checking is fundamental to guaranteeing that work is finished at the expected degree of value as well as inside the planned period. Project management additionally expects and answers issues surprisingly, creating arrangements en route and guaranteeing the eventual outcome actually lives up to every one of the gathering's assumptions. 4. Provides an opportunity in the front line. Your insight into the board's project implies that your boss can focus on you to be essential for or convey the different working environment projects fundamental in associations. The executives allow you to recognize and initiate projects, meaning you can work on your work environment and results. Distinguishing issues in the work environment and having the ability to transform them is a centerpiece of undertaking the board. 5. Improves your productivity. Project management gives you a scope of instruments and strategies that you can apply in your work job to guarantee that you are more useful and more ready to fulfill the necessary time constraints. It doesn't need to relate straightforwardly to projects, It may be working on your everyday association with new instruments and deceives educated in the short course. Now, let us look into Top 8 Project Management Course. Anyone who wants to develop their project management skills and join an elite group of experts guiding their teams to success can benefit from project management certification training. You will learn the common language of project managers and gain leadership abilities that will serve you well throughout your career if you take any project management training course. The job roles that can benefit from project management certifications training include Associate Project Managers, IT Project Managers, Project Coordinators, Project Analysts, Project Leaders, Product Managers, Program Managers, Project Sponsors, Project Team Members. Now, let's see the top project management courses. The first project management course is PMP. Project management has been a crucial business discipline for decades. With today's fast-paced economic, environmental, sociological, and technological advancements, it's more important than ever for businesses to manage and execute projects properly. Organizations are looking for project managers with diverse skills since projects have become more complicated and interrelated. PMP certification is a wise investment that will help you land rewarding employment, earn a good income, and advance your career more successfully. There are currently over 1 million PMP certification holders in the world. Furthermore, according to PMI's most recent project management salary survey, PMP holders in the United States earn 25% more than those who do not have the certification. So, how much do PMP professionals earn? According to PayScale, any PMP certified professional in the USA can earn around $110,000 per year. After hearing this, don't you guys think we must opt for this certificate? So, to earn that certificate, you must be knowing certain attributes. Let us look at those now. Coming to Eligibility Criteria. There are a set of minimum requirements to be met for PMP certification. The prerequisites to take the PMP certification exam are: Scenario 1. A 4-year degree. 7,500 hours leading and directing projects. 35 hours of project management training/education. Scenario 2. A high school diploma. Associate's degree, or the global equivalent. 4,500 hours leading and directing projects. 35 hours of project management training/education. Exam format. The exam type: closed book, multiple choice, multiple responses, matching, hotspot, etc. Number of questions: 180 questions, 175 scored, 5 unscored. Exam duration: 230 minutes. Passing score: the passing score is determined through psychometric analysis. Exam retake fee: a candidate can take the examination 3 times within a 1-year eligibility period. Free of cost for the first attempt. The cost for the next 2 attempts is $275 and $375 for PMI members and non-members, respectively. Certification validity: PMP certification is valid for 3 years. You can maintain it by earning 60 PDUs every 3 years. Exam cost. The PMP certification training cost is around $1,000 to $1,500. For more details, please refer to the training schedule given below. Then, select your preferred date and enroll in the PMP. Invensis Learning offers a 4-day PMP certification course that is perfect for project managers in a variety of industries who want to advance in their careers. The Project Management Certification Training course will provide you with vital knowledge and abilities that will set you apart from your peers and boost your earning potential. You will strengthen your leadership abilities and learn how to use standard tools and strategies to guarantee that all communications are clear as part of this PMP certification program. You'll learn how to develop an accurate project schedule as well as how to identify, access, and manage project hazards. Trainers from around the world will show you how to acquire a PMP certification that will ready you to face the new normal. This PMP course is based on the PMBOK Guide, 6th edition, and almost 99.9% of students have passed the PMP exam post this training. The next project management course is PMI-ACP. PMI Agile Certified Practitioner. The PMI Agile Certified Practitioner, PMI-ACP, is a globally recognized Agile certification that helps demonstrate your knowledge of Agile principles, methodologies, and application in different scenarios. This Agile certification helps you to stand out from the crowd and shine in front of your employers and peers. PMI-ACP confirmation is a brilliant venture, which will assist you with accomplishing a satisfying position, a great compensation, and a general more fruitful vocation development and advancement. Moreover, this certificate is one of the quickest developing Agile confirmations for experts who need to improve their theoretical and useful comprehension of Agile standards and strategies. So, let us now look into the PMI-ACP certification details. Talking about the governing body. We especially recommend you guys take it from PMI, the Project Management Institute. Coming to eligibility criteria. To be qualified for the PMI-ACP confirmation, you should meet specific schooling and expert prerequisites. With respect to instructive background, a secondary degree, like secondary school recognition, partner certification or worldwide same. 2,000 hours of general project experience is required in a year in project groups, which has been obtained over the most recent 5 years. Deft project experience of at least 1,500 hours for 8 months in project groups or groups that utilize light-footed approaches. This experience ought to have been acquired over the most recent 3 years, and these hours ought to be notwithstanding the 2,000 hours of general task insight. Preparing in Agile practices with at least 21 contact hours in Agile practices. So, what are the exam details? The exam type is multiple choice. Number of the questions asked in the exam is 120. The examination duration is 3 hours. The result or passing score is determined through psychometric analysis. The PMI member cost for the PMI-ACP test is $435. The standard non-member cost to take the test is $495 annually. Invensis Learning has been audited and supported by the PMI Authorized Training Partner Program to give 3-day educator-drove PMI-ACP certification training internationally that will be conveyed by insured and certified mentors with rich area experience. PMI-ACP is explicitly intended for project and program managers, project team members, Agile coaches, and others with broad involvement with numerous Agile procedures. Next in the list, we have CAPM. Certified Associate in Project Management, or CAPM, is a widely recognized and valuable entry-level certification for new project managers and those seeking roles in the project management stream. The credential is awarded by Project Management Institute, PMI registered. Irrespective of your position, CAPM certification from PMI distinguishes you in the job market and proves your credibility and effectiveness in working on project teams. So, how much do PMP professionals earn? According to PayScale, any certified project manager professional in the USA can earn around $85,000 per year. After hearing this, don't you guys think we must opt for this certificate? So, to earn that certificate, you must know certain attributes. So, let us look at those now. Coming to eligibility criteria. To take up CAPM certification, you need certain requirements. Let us look into them. There are 2 options. The first option is the educational background is secondary diploma, which may be either high school diploma or global equivalent. Project management experience of at least 1,500 hours of professional experience on a project team. The second option includes educational background is secondary diploma with high school diploma or global equivalent. Project management education OAT at least 23 contact hours of formal education. Exam format. The exam type is multiple choice. Number of questions include 150 questions per paper, where 135 scored, 15 unscored. Exam duration is around 3 hours. The passing score is determined through psychometric analysis. Type, closed book exam. Exam cost. The CAPM exam fees for PMI members are $225 and for non-members are $300. Invensis Learning provides 3-day instructor-led CAPM exam prep training globally. As a part of this CAPM exam prep training, you will master the basics of project management and the role of the project manager in it. You will also learn about various other project-related concepts such as project scope management, schedule management, cost management, integration management, project quality management, resource management, and many other topics. The next course is Prince 2 Foundation and Practitioner. Projects in Controlled Environments Version 2, Foundation and Practitioner, Prince 2, is a globally recognized project management credential. Potential employers consider this credential proof of a candidate's knowledge of project management as it is among the most popular project management certifications globally. PRINCE2 is a well-known project management certification program that is ideal for individuals who want to obtain a thorough understanding of the PRINCE2 methodology, which is a process-based approach that focuses on project control. So, how much do PMP professionals earn? Professionals with a PRINCE2 certification earn an average of $85,800 per year. After hearing this, don't you guys think we must opt for this certificate? So, to earn that certificate, you must know certain attributes. So, let us look at those now. Coming to Eligibility Criteria. The PRINCE2 Foundation Certification Test has no prerequisites. You must have passed one of the following tests to sit for the PRINCE2 Practitioner Examination. PRINCE2 Foundation Project Management Professional, PMP Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM, IPMA Level A, Certified Projects Director IPMA Level B, Certified Senior Project Manager IPMA Level C, Certified Project Manager IPMA Level D, Certified Project Management Associate. Exam Format. PRINCE2 Practitioner Certification Exam Format is as follows. The exam duration is 150 minutes. Number of questions include 68 questions. Passing criteria is 55%, that is, approximately 38 out of 68 questions should be answered correctly. An exam type is open book. PRINCE2 Foundation Certification Exam Format is as follows. Exam duration is 60 minutes. Number of questions is around 60 questions. Passing criteria is 55%, that is, approximately 33 out of 60 questions should be answered correctly. Exam type is closed book. The exam can be booked through PeopleCert. Exam cost. PRINCE2 Foundation 6th edition, $363. PRINCE2 Practitioner 6th edition, $488. Invensis Learning is a PeopleCert Auto, accredited training organization, to provide PRINCE2 certification training globally. Invensis Learning provides live online PRINCE2 certification training programs customized for enterprise teams who wish to train their employees on specific aspects of their job processes or responsibilities. Our experts have rich domain experience to provide training in the language of your preference. This PRINCE2 certification training course trains you to gain proficiency in using PRINCE2 methodology to efficiently meet the budget and minimize the risks involved and become proficient in the 7 core principles of PRINCE2 after completing the PRINCE2 certification training. Next in the list, we have Certified Project Director. The Certified Project Director is a globally recognized credential awarded by CAPM for senior and experienced project management executives. It proves that project executives develop new abilities to manage today's complex projects and programs, by managing risks, scope, quality, and budget, and is regarded as one of the most prominent levels of project management certifications in the world. With this accreditation, project managers will be able to manage project teams and various projects with ease, guiding them to a successful conclusion. Coming to eligibility criteria. Apart from having a bachelor's degree or a global equivalent, there are no other educational prerequisites. The candidate must have one of the following certifications to be eligible for the certification. PMP certification, PPM certification, CPM certification from JOC, PRINCE2 practitioner certification. So, what are the exam details? The exam consists of 100 multiple choice questions in a closed book format with a time limit of 80 minutes duration. The certification cost is somewhere between $300 $500, whereas the exam costs and e-course costs determine the final certification cost. Business Analysis Certification. In the past 2 decades, business analysis has been in high demand. It plays an essential role in outlining systems, creating innovative ideas, and adopting them. It has become an in-demand part of every business stream, beginning from project management to product management. As a result, the career prospects for business analysts are growing by leaps and bounds. According to LinkedIn, business analysis is one of the most needed skills of the year 2020. Across the globe, the prospects and the scope for business analysis are ever expanding. It is estimated that business analysts will grow at 14%, higher than average compared to other professionals. So, how much do business analysis professionals earn? According to PayScale, the average salary for professionals with a business analyst certification is $70,686. After hearing this, don't you guys think we must opt for this certificate? So, to earn that certificate, you must know certain attributes. So, let us look at those now. Coming to Eligibility Criteria. There are no prerequisite criteria to take up Business Analysis Foundation training. There are no prerequisites to taking up Practitioner Certificate in Business Analysis Practice Training. However, it is recommended that participants have practical experience in business analysis. The Business Analysis Exam Format. Online, multiple choice questions. Number of questions, 40 questions. Exam duration, 60 minutes. Passing criteria, a score of 65%. Exam format of the Business Analysis Practitioner Certification. Exam format, online, multiple choice questions. Number of questions, 40 questions. Exam duration, 60 minutes. Passing criteria, a score of 65%. Exam cost. Business Analysis Foundation Certification exam cost is $230. Business Analysis Practitioner Certification cost is $280. Invensis Learning provides live online business analysis certification training programs customized for enterprise teams who wish to train their employees on specific aspects of their job processes or responsibilities. Our expert business analysis trainers have rich domain experience to provide training in the language of your preference. Kickstart your career with the 4-day live instructor-led Business Analysis Foundation and Practitioner Certification training. Change Management Certification. In today's complex business landscape, enterprises have to deal with accelerated change in technology, transformation, digital customers, and the global economy. The organizational changes are significant, and it is challenging for enterprises to stay relevant and stay ahead of the competition. Addressing change requires strategic objectives, and it requires certain skills across the enterprise workforce. In this regard, change management has come to the fore to predict and prepare for change. One of the most often used techniques to manage change is change management certification training. The Change Management Foundation training course emphasizes the importance of change in a project and how it is required to keep it relevant regardless of small, incremental, or large inputs. And change management practitioner training helps individuals and enterprises understand the key principles of change management, why change happens, how change is addressed, and how overall change can be achieved. So, how much do change management professionals earn? According to PayScale, the average salary for professionals with a change management certification is $101,479. After hearing this, don't you guys think we must opt for this certificate? So, to earn that certificate, you must know certain attributes. So, let us look at those now. Coming to eligibility criteria. To take the change management exam, there are no prerequisites. If you want to pursue practitioner certification, you must first earn the Change Management Foundation certification. Exam format. The Change Management Foundation exam format. Exam format, online, multiple choice questions. Number of questions, 50 questions. Exam duration, 40 minutes. Passing criteria, a score of 50%. Change Management Practitioner exam format. Exam format, online, objective testing based on a case study scenario. Number of questions, 4 questions. Exam duration, 2.5 hours. Passing criteria, a score of 50%. Exam cost. Change Management Foundation certification cost is $190, included in the course fee. Change Management Practitioner certification cost is $380, included in the course fee. Invensis Learning provides live online change management certification training programs customized for enterprise teams who wish to train their employees on specific aspects of their job processes or responsibilities. Our expert change management trainers have rich domain experience to provide training in the language of your preference. The Change Management Certification by APMG is a globally recognized change management certification, namely, Change Management Foundation and Change Management Practitioner. Agile PM Foundation. With the consistently changing business scene, organizations need to develop to remain pertinent and separate from the opposition continually. In such a manner, Agile project management has every one of the characteristics to guarantee programming improvement projects don't endure the worst part of mind-boggling market requests and developing client needs. Agile PM certifications are globally recognized, and they validate an employee's ability to understand and embody Agile principles in project management. It is the most popular credential in Agile project management that will show you the way of turning into an effective Agile project manager. There are 2 degrees of accreditation, Agile PM Foundation and Agile PM Practitioner. So, let us now look into the Agile PM certification details. So, who all can attend this particular Agile certification? project managers, technical coordinators, subject matter experts, business analysts, program managers, project executives, Agile team members, and Scrum Masters are some of the job roles that can benefit from Agile PM certification training. Coming to eligibility criteria. There are no essentials qualification prerequisites for the Agile PM Foundation certification. However, the Agile PM Foundation exam's effective culmination is essential to take up the Agile PM Practitioner assessment. So, what are the exam details? The exam format of the Agile PM Foundation course. The exam format is online, which is an objective examination. The number of questions is 4 questions. The exam duration is 2.5 hours. A score of 50 is required as a passing criteria. The Agile PM Foundation assessment cost is $260, which is remembered for the training cost. The exam format of the Agile PM Practitioner course. The exam format is online, that is, objective examination. Number of questions is 4 questions. Exam duration is 2.5 hours. Passing criteria is a score of 50%. The Agile PM Practitioner assessment cost is $320, including the course cost. Invensis Learning gives internet-based educators drove Agile PM confirmation preparation worldwide by the APMG Agile PM accreditation test. There are 2 degrees of affirmations, Agile PM Foundation and Agile PM Practitioner. You can enlist for one or the other or both. This certification preparing program is redone for big business groups who wish to prepare their representatives on specific parts of their work cycles or obligations. Our specialists have rich space insight to give preparing in the language of your inclination. One of the most rewarding careers in the 21st century is project management. With project management being used in practically every industry, the demand for qualified and experienced individuals is at an all-time high. Allow yourself the opportunity to become certified in the project management certifications listed above and advance your project management profession to a successful and satisfying level. Learn more about project management best practices through Invensis Learning's Project Management Certification Training on PMP, CAPM, Prince 2, Project Management Fundamentals, etc. You can also own certain advantages if you wish to take certification from us. Interactive instructor-led training. Expert trainers with rich domain knowledge and expertise. Flexibility to retake training within 2 months. Lifetime access to webinars. Training materials created by SMEs. Case studies for an enriching learning experience. Pay in your local currency without any hassle. Lifetime access to a personalized LMS. Here we came to an end. Drop them in the comment section below if you guys have any queries. Thank you.